Hi guys, it's Blackie and back with another military surplus tip or trick. Okay, everybody knows about these old compass pouches. These are a multi-use pouch. It's got a lot of uses. Now these originally were for carrying a compass or for carrying a medical emergency dressing, and there were other things that would fit into it. I found as a young man I could put a box of 22s or some other small container in here, so I carried 22 ammunition. I carried other kinds of ammunition. I carried all kinds of stuff, survival kits, as you can see in this one, fire kits on it. They were very, very useful for that. But there's a little bitty trick that a lot of people don't know about these old ones. Now this will work both for the old canvas one and for the nylon one. Now the ultra modern one, I don't know, but the old one that has a grommet hole in the bottom, it surely does. You know that grommet hole is exactly the right size for a piece of 550 paracord to come through? What good is that, Blackie? Well, if you'll take and make a paracord donut, thread it through and put it into there, what you then have is a cord dispenser. You can just pull, cut it off, and it ain't no muss. So you can pull 30-50 feet worth of cord out of it and use that as a dispenser. Whenever you get done, just cut it, make a loop, come up here, like see how I left a loop in that, unsnap it, put it over the snap, then bring back and snap it. And that would hold it in place for the short piece coming from up here to up there. So you could snap, get, and pull out what you needed. So it is a cordage dispenser. So you can put 550 paracord, up to 50 feet of it, in a donut like that, and then just pull it out of that hole, and there's you a dispenser. Quick and easy. And a lot of little things, you'll find this is a very handy little thing to have. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have, hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.